Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to see the supplementary Little Cyclone, the story of a grizzly cub. It was written by William Temple Hornaday. Okay, Little Cyclone, it is a name of a bear, okay, the young one of a bear, the cub, and that is grizzly cub. Grizzly cub in the sense a grey cub, okay, it belongs to North America. So we'll see about the story of this little cub. First we'll look into the author. William Temple Hornaday was born in the year 1854 December 1 and died in the year 1937 March 6th. Was an American zoologist, conservationist, taxidermist and author. So he was a zoologist who researched about the animals and all. A taxidermist, the person who preserves the skin of animals and will do a lot of researches in that, and the author also. He was a pioneer in the early wildlife conservation movement in United States. So he was a pioneer, okay, he was the first person. He has started the wildlife conservation movement in US. During his lifetime, he has published many books and articles on the need for conservation of wildlife. So he has written many books and articles that insist the importance of protecting wildlife, wild animals. Okay, so this is the information about the author. Now we'll get into the glossary part. The first one is stumpy. Stumpy in the sense very short and thick. Next one is bald. Cried noisily. Bald, cried noisily. Procured, which means obtained. Procured, obtained. Prodded, dug. Okay, prodded, dug or poke. Droll, curious and amusing. Droll, curious and amusing. Pudgy, short and fat. Pudgy, short and fat. Formidable, dangerous. Formidable, dangerous. Next one is roistering, celebrating noisily. Roistering, the meaning of that is noisily. Stalked, walked stiffly with pride. Stalked, walked stiffly with pride. Saucy, cheeky. Impertinent. Saucy in the sense cheeky, impertinent. Hazer, a person who drives cattle while on horseback. A person who drives cattle while on horseback. Confounded, confused. Ignominiously, shamefully. Ignominiously, shamefully. Conscientiously, carefully and meticulously. The last one is feigned, faked, not genuine. So this is the glossary part, children. So you can refer your textbook also. So now we'll get into the lesson, the story. Okay. So this story is about a young bear cub which has bravely opposed the attack from the bigger animals in the zoological park, in the zoo, right? So it has defended all the other animals which is very bigger in size than this. So this proves that willpower and self-confidence is very important for a person. So we can also learn a great lesson from this chapter. Okay, we'll see that. Little Cyclone, it was a grizzly cub from Alaska. So already I said you, grizzly in the sense very dark brown. Okay. So it is a cub from Alaska. It has earned its name by courage and strength. So it is well known for the courageous and strength. Okay, grizzly cub. So when a person hears its name itself, they'll come to know that it is a very courageous bear cub. Okay. So one day this cub has lost its mother. His mother has been shot in a hillside. So this cub, this Little Cyclone, the name of the cub is Little Cyclone. So this cub and its brother was become an where became an orphan without parents, right? So little Cyclone, it has been caught by a captor. Someone captured it, but this brother has escaped from the captor, but this has been caught. So little Cyclone now it is going to New York. So from Alaska, the captor has taken him to New York. So a shifting place has been shifted. He was a drill and ruggish looking grizzly cub. So it was a ruggish. When we see itself, it will be very ruggish. So he had a pudgy little noise. Pudgy in the sense very fat. So fat little noise. So when little Cyclone found himself free in the nursery, it went deliberately, it went wantedly into the center of the stage. In the park, in the zoological park, it went to the center of the stage. It doesn't have any fear over anyone, because when we go somewhere in a new place, we'll all get fear, right, about the new place, new persons. But this little cub, no, it doesn't have any fear over there. It just deliberately, wantedly, it went to the center of the stage. There, little Caesar, the young one, good-natured European brown bear cub was there. So they met each other. Okay, so a young European bear cub. Okay, so he walked up and aimed a sample blow at Cyclone's left ear. So this Caesar, no, this new character, it has walked up and aimed a sample blow. Okay, just it blowed at the Cyclone's left ear. So Cyclone shot with its right paw as quick as a flash, but no, it suddenly it gave a very quick flash, okay, with his right paw. So all the other bears understood, okay, this newcomer is very dangerous, is very brave. Though it is very young, very small in size, they come to know, okay, this Cyclone is very brave, so we should maintain some distance over there. So they come to a conclusion. So they understood the bravery of this little Cyclone. So the size is not important, our appearance is not important. The only thing we need is willpower and self-confidence. So this is what this Cyclone had. Okay, it is new to the place, it is very small in size, but it proved itself, right? So even we should not underestimate ourselves. Okay, we may be short, we may be thin, our appearance may not be good. That is all not important. Only the willpower and the confidence we have in ourselves is very important to face the world. So this is what we are learning from this lesson, children. I hope you would have understand this. Thank you.